All right, remember that whenever we have a graph, it's basically just about following the instructions, okay? There's not really much to these questions. Go where you're supposed to go, read what you're supposed to read, just pay attention. So in this case, they talk about Marilyn, and the y-axis tells us the distance from her campsite during a 3-hour hike. She stopped for 30 minutes during her hike to have lunch. Based on the graph, which of the following is closest to the time she finished lunch and continued her hike? So if she stopped, then there's no change in her distance, right? She's just not moving. So the lunch period has to happen here. And so we want to know when she's finishing lunch, so that's at the end, and that's a little bit before 2 o'clock, so looks like 1:40. And that's the answer. So, it's an estimation, but because there's a limited number of answer choices, that's the only thing that even makes sense. So we might get this wrong if we forget to read about the actual start versus finish of her lunch. There's lots of reasons we could get this wrong, but it's supposed to be easy. So you got to really lock up these points. Just pay attention, follow instructions, and you can get some free points from these kinds of questions.